Every crushing season is exactly the same length. What changes is how much of it you actually capture. You already have sensors, you already have SCADA, you already have a lab, you have more data than any generation of mill operator before you. And recovery still slips. Throughput still disappoints, the distillery still misses its window. Here is what the data is not telling you fast enough. The field problem that will hit your crusher in 14 days. The process drifts your team will notice after recovery has already moved. The off-window hours your distillery accumulates, shift by shift, before anyone runs the numbers. In this industry, the gap between data and decision is where margin goes to die. Yesterday's report protects yesterday's operation, not today's. Fundability Sciences was built for exactly this problem, not another dashboard, not another data layer sitting between your team and the answer. An intelligence system that works the way your operation actually works, field to factory to distillery, and tells you what to do, not just what happened. StomaSense watches your fields before your fields become your problem. Crop stress, moisture variation, harvest readiness, weed pressure, visible early enough to change what you do, not just explain what went wrong. Stoma Insight runs inside your mill and distillery, detecting process drift early, flagging anomalies before they compound, and pulling your operation back to its best performance window. The results from deployments in the field, up to 10 to 30% reduction in off-window operating time. Recovery improvements that show up in the numbers, not the narrative. This is not AI as a pilot project. This is AI embedded in operations from cane planning through crushing through ethanol output. Manufacturers who have deployed it don't talk about the technology. They talk about what it recovered. India is running toward 20% ethanol blending. The pressure on every mill and distillery to produce more, waste less, and operate with tighter control is not coming. It's already here. The manufacturers who close the decision gap now will be the ones who define the benchmark later. The winning mills won't be the ones with the most data. They'll be the ones whose data actually reached the right person with the right recommendation before the loss became permanent. You've built operations that survive every season. The question now is not survival. It's how much value your operation is leaving on the table. Every shift, every week, every crushing season, because your data isn't working as hard as your people are. Findability Sciences, applied AI for sugar, ethanol, and bioenergy.